with Colonel Noel Alino, the Regional Chief of NCRCA-DG, as well as Colonel Bustinera, the spokesperson for the Bureau of Jail Management Penology. We would just like to report that at around 9:33 a.m. this morning, we officially turn over Alice Goo to the custody of BJMP Pasig City. And as a matter of procedure, before turning her over to BJMP, she undergone the required medical and physical examination conducted by the PNP General Hospital and the forensic group. During the medical examination, the doctor found a probable infection sa kanyang left lungs. So the BJMP, upon receiving the Alice Goo, will have now the disposition on how to treat this possible infection na meron po si Alice Goo.
Saan possible nakuha yun, ma'am?
Hindi natin po alam, but yung kanyang medical po last Friday cleared naman po. She was supposed to be transferred last Friday, but it was postponed because there are some legal procedure to be undertaken, particularly the service of warrant implemented by CADG, and just this morning ay na-return na rin po yung warrant of arrest as a matter of procedure. So based doon sa doctor po ng PNP General Hospital na probably from Friday and over the course of the weekend baka nag-develop ng possible infection yung kanyang lungs. So we declared it ng mga doctors, and it will be the disposition now of the BJMP on how to treat this possible infection.
Paano na-discover yung anong medical procedure na-discover?
In X-ray po, sa chest X-ray po nakita po yung possible and suspected infection po sa kanyang left lungs po.
Hindi po ba siya may sipon, ma'am?
Yeah, mayroon siyang konting colds at kanina sa hospital parang nag-uubo-ubo siya ng konti.
May iniinda siya, bali, nagsabi po siya.
Wala naman. Ang sabi nung mga nag-inspect sa kanya, nag-examine sa kanya physically, externally, even the forensic group, wala namang nakitang any external indication na meron siyang iniinda. However, since the X-ray showed na there is a possible infection based on the X-ray examination conducted on her, so the doctors deem it necessary to put that in writing, and it will be now the BJMP who will determine what kind of treatment, if there will be any treatment at all, for purposes of treating the suspected infection.
So wala pong gamot na ibinigay sa kanya?
Wala pong binigay because I understand there should be test to be conducted just to determine and at least confirm yung initial result po ng examination po ng medical doctors po ng PNP Hospital. So it will be now po the BJMP, probably we could ask them what will be the next procedure upon accepting po yung si Alice Goo.
Yes, confirm po yun yung medical results, and ang advice po ng aming health service ay i-isolate siya. May kasama po siyang 3 doon na may tuberculosis case, pero ito po ay almost 1 month na nagagamutan, and inassure naman ng ating doctor na hindi na ito nakakahawa, yung 3 na naka-isolate. So doon po siya ilalagay to protect din yung general population.
Sa isang cell, sir, ilan sila magkakasama? Ano yung itsura ng kwarto niya ngayon?
Maliit lang po itong isolation na cell, around 10 square meters na maliit na selda. And dito po may kahalo po siyang 3 nagagamutan sa tuberculosis. At ang advice po ng aming doctor is i-confirm po yung findings sa kanyang X-ray, and then mag-undergo pa po siya ng gen expert testing just to confirm kung TB po yan. Other test naman po, negative, COVID, and other medical tests.
Pwede pong pakilarawan anong itsura niya ngayon, anong suot, meron ba siyang protective gear?
Opo. Nakasuot na po siya ngayon ng jogging pants ng BJMP at yellow t-shirt na pang PTL. Tapos nakamask po siya na N95 at ongoing na po ang kanyang booking process din.
So, binigyan na rin po ba silang gamot mula dito sa BJMP?
Wala pa po kasi inaantay po natin yung resulta ng kanyang laboratory test pa po.
I-X-ray pa ba sa ulit, sir, dito?
Hindi na po, may X-ray na po siyang dala-dala courtesy of the PNP General Hospital, and ko-confirm na lang po namin yung result ng X-ray sa isang laboratory test.
Sir, once na matreat, ita-transfer na siya with other PDL ng Senate?
Pagka po kailangan siyang gamutin, doon po muna siya kasama ng ibang TB patients natin na nagagamot din. At kung hindi naman po, ihalo na po siya.
Nagawa na po ba natin yung booking process?
Ongoing po. Ang official time receive po kasi natin, 9:33 a.m. Doon po inireceive ang kanyang documentary requirements and medical requirements. Nag-mugshot na rin po siya, and after po nun, may interview pa po kasi para buuhin ang kanyang karpeta o case folder.